Bitcoin's current status. God willing, we'll continue with some updates on Bitcoin's movement. We're currently monitoring Bitcoin's dominance and acquisitions this week. The remaining time this week is approximately 2 to 2.5 days, approximately 20 additional hours. Recently, we have observed a rise in Bitcoin acquisitions on the daily frame, followed by a significant decline in many cryptocurrencies. This is completely normal, as any rise must be punctuated by temporary corrections for the price to continue its trend. After reaching a strong peak, it's normal to see declines, and we may reach clear reversal areas. As we mentioned earlier, currently, Bitcoin remains stable on the daily frame, moving within the range we've repeatedly discussed. There's a high probability that we'll see movements similar to what we've seen previously. A rise, then a fall, then another rise. We are now in the middle of May, and there are approximately 15 days left until the end of the month, and we're waiting to see how the monthly close will play out. If Bitcoin wants to break the previous peak, it only needs a 10% rise, equivalent to reaching a level close to 115,000. If this happens, we will be witnessing a clear and actual breakout of the top. We are on the right track, God willing. And what is happening now is either a consolidation or a corrective pattern. Don't worry about a temporary decline. The market naturally fluctuates, and we may witness a decline followed by a strong rise. All positive indicators are present, and the overall market structure remains strong. Every current decline is an opportunity to buy, not to exit. Those who haven't bought at the bottom can take advantage of these declines. However, it is a mistake to sell just because the price rises slightly and wait for the drop to buy again. The market doesn't always work this way. On the weekly time frame, if you look at the bullish wave, you will find that it could achieve a 200% to 300% increase in some cryptocurrencies. On the daily time frame, the percentage may be limited to 60%. Therefore, it is better to be patient in the medium and long term to achieve greater profits. If the expected bullish wave continues for several consecutive weeks, it will open the way for massive increases, possibly reaching 500% in some currencies. Only then can we talk about achieving higher goals and reaping profits through investment. However, if you are a speculator, treat the nearest resistance as a place to sell, especially if the price reaches it quickly. A speculator requires a different tactic than an investor, and they must be very careful in making their decisions. Important tips: don't overtrade or speculate. Allocate only a small portion of your portfolio to it, a quarter or a third. Be patient with the trade. The longer you hold on to the price, the greater the potential for profit. Don't sell based on a temporary feeling, and don't buy out of fear of missing out. Rather, buy based on logical analysis. Downs aren't always an opportunity for panic, and ups aren't always a time to sell. In short, If you've been patient with reversals and downs, be patient now for profits. The current movement is normal, with downs one day, ups the next. Don't let your psychological state be affected by these fluctuations. Don't get too excited about what you're gaining, and don't be sad about what you've missed. The real opportunities are yet to come, and the bigger goals are still to come, God willing. On the weekly time frame, we anticipate a successive upward wave that will extend for several weeks. Only then can we think about making big profits. Thank you all for following along. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.